The market is having the kind of Monday the earnings said it should. Stocks open higher after reports that President Trump called off a planned strike on Iran, and the AI names that reported last week are being rebought aggressively. Amazon is up more than 5% and just crossed $3 trillion in market value. Microsoft is up over 4%, Meta over 5%. The strongest earnings season since 2021 is being taken at its word. My trading system is flat with cash ready, and it is closer to pulling the trigger than at any point in weeks. Microsoft's momentum reading has already poked above its zero line this hour. Nvidia just snapped back from its volatility floor, and Amazon, Alphabet, and Oracle are all armed right behind them. Every one of those names carries my approval. Whichever signal completes first takes the money, and Amazon holds the top rank if two fire together. The hazards are dated and specific. AMD reports Tuesday with options pricing a 9% swing that will splash across every chip name. And the one red name on my board, Apple, down 1% on a green tape, is red for exactly the memory cost reason I refuse to own it. Equity sits at $5,308.50, up $38.08 on the day, and the book is flat. All cash, no exposure, so that gain is banked and safe. The move from $5,315.64 to $5,308.50 since the last briefing is a small giveback, but we're still green for the session. We closed Google with a sell at $359.37, realizing $368.62, and the account now holds nothing. The engine refuses to open a new long while the board sorts itself out. That fills the fourth round trip. Lifetime realized $308.59 at a 50% win rate, which is thin but positive. Amazon jumped to priority 5, the top slot, while Microsoft dropped to 4, and the board now ranks Google at 3, Nvidia at 2, Oracle at 1, 6 names flat, and only one position allowed. With cash at $5,308.50 and buying power at $16,323.23, a new long would need to displace the old one, but there's no old one now. The daily loss circuit breaker reads 0% of 5% used, so buying is still allowed, and the engine's top long is Amazon at priority 5. For the next few hours, that ranking means any fresh fill likely targets Amazon first, though the book stays flat until the engine pulls the trigger. Amazon crossed $3 trillion in market value this morning. Microsoft is the trade most likely to happen in the next hour. The stock is up more than 4% near 485, and the momentum reading my system watches has just poked above its zero line, the exact event that fires the buy, if it holds through the top of the hour. All three safety conditions are open, and Microsoft clears its long-term trend filter by nearly 13%, the widest margin on my entire board. Alphabet is up 3% near 367, and the honest read is unchanged. This is a stock rising on its neighbor's good news. Amazon and Microsoft proved last week that AI spending converts into cloud revenue, and Alphabet collects that verdict by association, helped along by Oracle building Gemini models into its Fusion and NetSuite business software, which is real distribution for Google's AI. Nvidia just did the exact thing my bargain hunting entry waits for. This morning the stock flushed down to 196.85, tagging the volatility floor my system watches, and then reversed hard, trading back above 205 within hours. That single move carried the short-term oscillator from deeply oversold in the 20s up through its midline and reclaimed the price floor in the same stroke. The two conditions my mean reversion buy requires, both landing in one bar. Oracle supplied the one thing it was missing, a turn in momentum. The stock is up nearly 5% near 136, clearing the 132 level that rejected it on Friday, and the momentum reading beneath it has stopped falling and started climbing toward the zero line. One more hour like this one, and it crosses, which fires my buy at the lowest priority on the board.